Welcome everyone, I am back. Today's July the 21st, 2022. We're going to talk about Litecoin today, give y'all this insane price analysis, trying to give y'all a heads up as to where I think the price is about to go. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I produce price predictions on the price chart without any confusion. I want to make sure that you understand and you're able to see for yourself that it is possible to forecast where prices are going to go so that you can capitalize from the price move. So to everyone who is new, welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, join the team of all of my day ones who like the content that I am creating. Hopefully it has been teaching you all so much information about how this game is really being played. Go ahead and join me. All right, so check this out. I didn't do a price prediction last time in Litecoin, which was on July the 8th, 2022. Today we got a little bit more information, right? Since July the 8th to today, the market has given us a couple more price bars that we can dissect to try to see whether or not the market is going to go up, or are we going to see the price in Litecoin continue to go down? Because pretty much from that time period to today, the market hasn't done too much in Litecoin. You all can see right now in front of you that the market has just been trading range bound. It's just been trading pretty much in the channel over the last couple of trading days. Now, the good thing though is that we're seeing that the market here in Litecoin is in a slight upward trend. That's very good. We need to allow the market in Litecoin to continue to do just that in order for us to know that the market is still on good footing to allow the price to move higher. Now, I've shown you the good thing. Let me show you the bad thing about the upward progressional move in Litecoin recently. Can you guys see what happened on yesterday's trading day? Let me point this arrow to yesterday, and we got to talk about this day. What happened? We need to pay attention to the area to where price is. Okay, we all can see that the market in Litecoin hit around $60 yesterday. But why did the market end up closing down yesterday 1.25%? Why? Take a look at this. This is the reason why. It's because back here in the chart, we all can see that the market here in Litecoin was utilizing this price level around $60 as support back in May. But then the market broke that price level in May, in June, and we came right back up there on June the 26th, and we got rejected again. That is why the market in Litecoin yesterday went down yesterday. So that's the problem. This is the location that the sellers are positioned. This is the location that the market is selling. Okay, so we understand that we will not expect the market to break higher until we see price break $60. Yes. So let's see what we have on a different time frame. This is Litecoin on the 2-day chart, and right now we're seeing weakness. We have 12 hours and 58 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, and right now this is revealing that the market currently is anticipated to go down. Yeah, it's anticipated to go down. Now, that's nothing to be worried about, because we can anticipate how low it can go for us to still know that price in Litecoin in the long term is going to continue to move higher. So look at this. We understand that we have a basis of support, maybe around $52, all the way back down here to our ascending line. That's around 10.5% movement to the downside. So we can at least expect that. So we won't be surprised. We already can tell that currently, right now, the market in Litecoin is showing us some weakness because of us trading right there around that $60 price level. So we need to see will the buyers show up. Because if they would show up, then we understand that this current movement to the downside is not going to be a problem for us to see the market in Litecoin go higher. This is Litecoin on the 3-day. So looking here on the 3-day chart in Litecoin, we got to pay attention with all of this volume that came in over the last 3 days. We all had to see what's going on. Look at all that volume. While we came up here and topped out around $60. All of this represents that they're selling into the market right now in Litecoin. So if you're trying to find an opportunity of when you need to come in and participate, the market move higher in Litecoin, this market is telling us that you need to wait. Yes, it's telling us that we may need to wait here in Litecoin. We want to see how low the price is going to go right now. Okay. Now, let me show you the hourly time frame first. So let's look at this on an 11-hour chart, and I think you guys can actually see where that beginning phase of selling came into the market. We can see it. Look at all the volume that came in on that 11-hour price bar, and we're still seeing the price trend down. So yeah, right now the market here in Litecoin is giving us some weakness. We want to be prepared. We want to see how low price is going to go. $54, $52, no lower than 50, in order for us to still know that the ability, the prediction in the long term would be for the market to continue to trend higher. Okay, we see weakness here on 11. Here we can still see weakness on the 7-hour chart. We can see weakness here on the 3-hour chart. So let's anticipate some weakness right now. Let's anticipate that price in Litecoin is going to go down. Now let's do this though. I told you that that first area would be around 54. Okay, the sooner that we see the market buyers prop up the price in Litecoin, the better we'll have opportunity to see the market break $60 to the upside, right? So let's say this. Let's say the market in Litecoin comes down to 54. Buyers hold price there, and we begin to see the market go up and break out at $60. That's one way. Let's say that the other way would be for Litecoin not to hold $54 and we come down to 52. It's going to take the market longer for us to see the market break above $60, right? It's going to take us longer. Let's say that the buyers don't show up around 52. Let's say that they appear around 50, right? Let's say that they come in around 50. That will bring us all the way down here to our trend line. And the market may just hug this trend line, this ascending line, until eventually we're able to see the market break out. You see that, right? That's the forecast right there. So now, let me go ahead and put this on the chart from a daily perspective. I'm only going to play this weakness because of what we're noticing over the last couple of trading days. This is not one of those long-term bouts of weakness that I'm anticipating. I do suspect that currently from out the gate, that price is going to go down. Now, I've shown you 3 price targets, 54, 52, and 50. The sooner that the buyers show up, the better we'll have opportunity to see the market in Litecoin break out above $60. I'm done. It's your turn. Let's go ahead and see how long it's going to take for the buyers to appear in the market in Litecoin. I'm not extremely weak, so just relax. I do suspect though that there's some slight weakness coming into the market in Litecoin. I really want to see the buyers come in around 54. I would really like that better, because then I'll know that the probability of us breaking $60 to the upside is extremely strong. Now I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and let me know your thought process. Tell me what your price prediction is. What is your price target into the market in Litecoin over the next couple of weeks? Let's do 2 weeks. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.